Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signed in and the app is updated. Now change language settings. On smart TVs, streaming sticks, or mobile apps, open Disney Plus and go to the profile icon first. Once there, select your profile to access preferences. Make sure you're on the primary profile because language preferences are profile-specific. If using a browser, click your avatar in the top right. These initial steps get you into the menu where audio and subtitle options live. So move there now. You've opened a show or movie. Next, change audio and subtitles during playback. Pause the video, then choose the audio and subtitles control, often a speech bubble or cog. You'll see available audio tracks and subtitle languages listed. Pick the audio language you want first, then toggle subtitles on or off. Once done, resume playback to confirm. If the option isn't listed, make sure the title supports alternate languages. Some content only offers one track or requires switching episodes for different options. To change menus and recommendations, go back to Profile App Settings or Account Settings and select App Language or Display Language. Apply the change and then restart Disney Plus so the interface updates. Make sure device system language doesn't override app settings. If it does, adjust device language. If you hit a problem, menus not switching or audio missing, clear the app cache, update the app, or sign out and sign in again. That usually resolves lingering settings, conflicts, and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.